Do you ever feel the heavy weight of big dreams, but find yourself stuck? Maybe you're scrolling through your phone, telling yourself you'll start tomorrow, but that tomorrow never seems to arrive. Here is the truth. You aren't lazy. You are just overwhelmed. When a goal feels too big, your brain naturally tries to avoid the stress. But you can outsmart that feeling. Think of your dreams like a fire. Right now, it might just be a tiny spark, but every small action you take is fuel. Keep adding that fuel, and soon you will have a roaring fire. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Here are 3 simple ways to start, right now. First, make your tasks tiny. Don't think about writing a whole book. Just write 1 sentence. Don't worry about the mountain. Just focus on the very next step. Small wins add up, and progress always beats perfection. Second, build easy routines. Don't rely on willpower. It runs out. Instead, build habits that make starting automatic. If you want to exercise, put your shoes by your bed tonight. Set the stage so that success becomes the easiest choice you make tomorrow. Third, use the 2-minute rule. The hardest part of anything is just starting. Promise yourself you will work on your goal for just 2 minutes. That is it. Once you start, momentum takes over, and it becomes much easier to keep going. Remember, everyone you admire started exactly where you are today. They felt the same doubt, but they kept going. It is okay to fail. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It is a part of the journey. Be kind to yourself. Get back up and keep moving forward. So, what is one small thing you can do right now? Your dreams are waiting. Go make them happen.